Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to unbox this. I take up from the bag. Hey, we have. Let's unbox it. Cut with a scissor. Let's unbox that I give to Alonso.
Ganyan din yung tiles niya. Ganyan din yung tiles.
We're going to throw this. Ooh, number blocks. Oh, actually we can put this. Bye-bye. Number blocks. Why?
Number 1 si Papa, Kuya Bal, tapos ang K-Boys. Siyempre ang sponsor at viewers, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Yun ay, ito na, tara, check natin dito. Ayan po,
next. Puppet. Oh, puppet! We have going to collect
the airplane. What's going on?
Ooh, what's this?
It's a giant Caesar.
Yay, we have this.
Of the airplane.
We have.
I can't lose my control.
We have all of the tools.
There's an emergency.
Guys, I unboxed this. We can actually
Caesar!
like this.
See, let me see.
Caesar! I know.
And it's attacking from
This
the
will
airplane.
show. Look, try side. Thank you guys for our video. Thank you guys for watching on this video. Make sure like and subscribe for our channel. Bye.
I can't.